boys and girls. Okay, welcome to Friday's Math. Now, just a reminder, we go back to school on Tuesday, in person, at school, in our classroom. It's going to be so fun. Okay, so for today's math, you are going to be on page 407, okay? 407. This is lesson 7-3, and it's all about counting on a number chart. Now, I have part of our number chart up here. There's a number chart in your book. Tuesday, you're going to get your very own number charts to keep at your desk and use when we do math. So this lesson is pretty fun because just like when we used our number lines, when we use our number charts, it's a great tool that helps us find the answer. So let's look at our I can statement. Okay, ready? Mirrors on. I can count on a number chart to 120. Mirrors off. Good job. Okay, so as you can see on this 100 chart, this is just like the one in your book on page 407. It starts at number 1 up here on the top row. Goes to number 2, number 3, number 4, all the way to number 10, okay? Then it comes back down to number 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way to 20. It just keeps continuing. If you counted by ones and you started at number 1 up here and you went all the way through, you would end up at number 100, okay? Now, on this page, it says pick a number, then find the next 3 numbers. So I'm going to pick number, let's say 4. Now my next 3 numbers would be 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now, what if I pick number, let's say 9?
9.
Good job. Now, if I have 9 and I want to say what's the next 3 numbers, this one would be 10, this one would be 11, and then 12. Okay? So you follow down just like when you're reading. You go to the next line upstairs. Now, if you turn to the next page, it says you can also find patterns on these number charts, which is really cool. So, it says the tens digit. Let's look in this row. If I look at 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way, the tens digit all has the 1 in the tens place. But if I were to come down here and look at the, let's do this column. All of the ones place would have 7 in the ones place. So a number chart can even extend past numbers greater than 100. I need you to go upstairs. This is my last video. Go upstairs. Thank you. Okay, so you could also, look at this. Let me bring you in closer. If I want to count by tens over here, I could say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Counts by tens. This number chart is going to be very, very helpful. So today's practice is just counting by ones and filling in those missing numbers, okay? If you get to a point where you're like, oh my goodness, I'm so confused about what number comes next, turn back to page 407 and use this 100 chart, okay? This is like your tool for the day. So make sure we do pages 407 to 410 today. Send me a picture of that on Class Dojo. Also do your journal writing. And I will see you all on Tuesday in person, real life. You've done a great job. Parents, thank you so, so much for being great helpers and great teachers at home. All right, I'll see you Tuesday.